Hello, burger enthusiasts! Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting your burger journey, you're in for a treat today. Today, we're on a mission to make the juiciest, most satisfying homemade burger you've ever tasted. Imagine biting into a burger that's bursting with flavor, perfectly cooked and made just the way you like it. Forget those sad fast food burgers. This is about creating a masterpiece in your own kitchen. No more settling for soggy buns or bland patties. We're talking about a burger that's truly unforgettable, one that you'll be proud to serve to friends and family. When you make burgers at home, you control every ingredient. The best meat, the freshest toppings, the softest buns. You get to pick exactly what goes into your burger, from the type of cheese to the crispness of the lettuce and even the perfect sauce. No mystery ingredients, just honest, delicious food. Every bite is packed with real flavors, and you know exactly what you're eating. It's a hands-on adventure, mixing, shaping, and cooking fun for the whole family. There's something special about gathering in the kitchen, laughing and working together to create something delicious. The real joy starts before the first bite, as you craft something amazing with your own hands. It's about the experience, the creativity, and the memories you make along the way. So, roll up your sleeves and let's unlock the secrets to burger greatness. Get ready to learn tips and tricks that will take your burgers to the next level. I'll share my top tips to turn a good burger into a legendary one. From seasoning your patties just right to getting that perfect sear, you'll discover all the little details that make a big difference. By the end, you'll be ready to impress anyone with your burger skills. So, let's get started and make this a grand day out for a burger you'll never forget. What's the secret to a truly juicy, mouth-watering burger? It all starts with one key ingredient: fat. Fat is the magic that transforms a simple patty into a flavor-packed, succulent masterpiece. When you're choosing your ground beef, look for a blend that's 80% lean and 20% fat. This ratio is the sweet spot for burgers. Chuck is the classic choice because it naturally has that perfect balance. The fat not only adds flavor, but it also keeps the burger moist and tender as it cooks. As the burger sizzles on the grill, the fat slowly melts, basting the meat from the inside out. This process infuses every bite with rich, beefy flavor and ensures your burger stays juicy, not dry. If you go too lean, you'll end up with a burger that's dry, crumbly, and lacking that irresistible juiciness. No one wants a hockey puck on their plate. When forming your patties, handle the meat as gently as possible. Overworking the beef compresses it, making the final burger tough and squeezing out all that precious moisture you worked so hard to keep. Think of it like assembling a delicate machine. Every part needs to fit together just right, and a light touch is key to keeping your burger tender and juicy. Shape the patties just until they hold together, and don't pack them too tightly. Here's another crucial tip: don't mix salt into the meat before forming your patties. Salt draws out moisture and dissolves proteins, which can make your burgers dense and dry before they even hit the grill. Instead, wait until your patties are formed, then season the outside generously with salt and pepper just before cooking. This way you get a delicious, flavorful crust on the outside while keeping the inside juicy and tender. The result? A burger with a beautiful, crispy crust and a juicy, flavorful center that bursts with every bite. That's the hallmark of a perfect burger. So remember, start with the right amount of fat, handle the meat gently, and season at the last minute. These 3 steps are your keys to burger perfection, every single time. Master these basics, and you'll be making burgers that impress every guest and satisfy every craving. Ready to get started? Let's make a shopping list and gather everything you need for the ultimate juicy burger experience. Here's what you need for classic burgers: 500 g, just over a pound of 80/20 ground chuck, coarse sea salt, and black pepper. Skip the fillers, no breadcrumbs or eggs. Let the beef shine. For buns, choose soft but sturdy ones. Brioche or potato rolls are great. Freshness is key. A stale bun ruins everything. For toppings, grab cheddar or American cheese, crisp lettuce, ripe tomato, and red onion. Don't forget ketchup, mustard, or mayo for sauces. That's it. Simple, quality ingredients. With these basics, you're set for burger greatness. You can always get creative with toppings later. Now let's shape those patties. Time to get your hands dirty. Start with cold ground beef. This keeps the fat solid and the burgers tender. Divide the meat into 4 equal portions, about 125 g each. Gently roll each into a loose ball, then flatten into patties just wider than your buns. Don't overwork the meat, a light touch keeps them juicy. Press a small dimple in the center of each patty. This stops them puffing up as they cook. Place patties on a tray, not stacked. Sprinkle one side with salt and pepper. Season the other side when you flip them in the pan. That's it, simple, effective, and ready for the heat. Your patties are prepped for greatness. Let's get cooking. Heat a heavy pan, cast iron is best, over medium-high until hot. Add a splash of oil if needed, then place patties in, season side down, listen for that sizzle. It means a perfect crust is forming. Season the top side now, and don't press down, keep those juices inside. Cook 3-4 minutes per side for medium, flipping once you see juices on top. After flipping, add cheese if you like, and cover briefly to melt. Once done, let the burgers rest a few minutes, this keeps them juicy. The Maillard reaction gives you that deep, savory crust. Resist the urge to rush, patience pays off. Now let's build your burger masterpiece. While your burgers rest and their juices settle, it's the perfect time to turn your attention to the buns and toppings. This is where you can really make your burger shine and add your own creative flair. Toast your buns cut side down in the same pan you cook the patties in, letting them soak up all those delicious flavors left behind. This step adds a subtle crunch and a rich, buttery taste that takes your burger to the next level. A golden, crisp bun not only keeps things from getting soggy, but also adds a satisfying texture with every bite. Don't rush this part. Let the buns get perfectly toasted. Now start the assembly with your bottom bun as the foundation. This is where the magic begins. Add a generous swipe of your favorite sauce, mayo, ketchup, or something spicy, then layer on crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and sharp onion for a burst of freshness and flavor. Gently place your juicy, cheesy patty on top of the veggies, letting the cheese melt and mingle with the other ingredients. Next, layer on tangy pickles and crispy bacon for extra crunch and a smoky kick. Or if you're feeling adventurous, add sautéed mushrooms or any other toppings you love, jalapenos, avocado, or even a fried egg. Make it your own masterpiece. Don't forget a final layer of sauce on the top bun before you crown your creation. This helps hold everything together and adds even more flavor. Give your burger a gentle press to bring all the layers together, making sure every bite is packed with taste and texture. Serve immediately. Hot, messy, and absolutely delicious is the goal. The steam rising from your burger means it's at its best. Grab plenty of napkins. A truly great burger should be a little messy, with juices and sauces running down your hands. Take a big, satisfying bite and savor the combination of flavors and textures you've built from the ground up. That's how you build a burger worth celebrating, one that's uniquely yours and sure to impress anyone lucky enough to try it. Burgers have been a global favorite for over a century, and now you know why. Let's recap to use 80/20th chuck. Handle gently, season just before cooking, and use the thumbprint trick. Cook hot and fast, melt the cheese, toast the buns, and layer on fresh toppings. Every step matters for that perfect bite. You've gone from simple ingredients to a burger masterpiece. Now you're ready for your own burger bonanza. Once you taste the difference, you'll never go back to fast food. Happy cooking, and may all your burgers be smashingly juicy.